It's time for another episode of Tips and Tricks with Air Experts. Reducing strain on your HVAC system not only helps it run more efficiently, but can also extend its lifespan, saving you money and headaches in the long run. Check filters and vents. Basic maintenance is your first line of defense. Replace your furnace filter regularly to keep airflow strong and your system breathing easy. The average filter should be replaced about every 3 months. Set your thermostat correctly. To avoid overworking your air conditioner and furnace, keep the thermostat settings moderate and adjust them only when you're home or leaving for an extended time. Extreme temperatures make both systems run longer and wear out faster, while steady, reasonable settings and clean filters help them operate efficiently and last longer. Give outdoor units breathing room. Your outdoor HVAC unit needs space to work efficiently. Trim back bushes, grass, or weeds at least 2 feet around it, and clear away leaves or debris. Good airflow around the unit prevents overheating and allows it to release heat more effectively, reducing strain on the entire system. Small, consistent habits make a big difference in how long your HVAC system lasts and how well it performs. Over time, that means fewer repairs, lower energy bills, and a home that stays comfortable through every season, without your HVAC breaking a sweat. We thought you'd like to know.